Hey, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm making $700 per day working part-time with the affiliate marketing business model. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, there's a few things that you need to make sure that you do. Number one, you want to subscribe to this channel. Number two, tick that bell icon. And the reason is because you are a part of a case study that I'm actually right in the middle of, where I'm showing my students how to go from zero to making $10,000 per month consistently, also working part-time with the affiliate marketing business model. Every single day, we've been logging into my affiliate accounts, been showing the results that I've been getting, and I've been showing exactly what I'm doing to get those results. So yet again, we're gonna log into a few affiliate accounts. And again, if this is completely foreign to you, you're new to the channel, again, you wanna make sure you subscribe, tick the bell icon, because every single day, I give you guys videos just like these with action steps included so you can copy exactly what it is that I'm doing. Now, again, if you're new, not only do you need to make sure you subscribe, but also there's a link below in the description. That first link, you want to start with day 1 of the playlist and go all the way up to day 10 up to this point. So you could take it at your own pace. We do release a few videos per week with action steps, but these action steps are steps you could be doing every single day. But for the most part, I'm doing all these action steps with you. So yet again, let's go ahead, let's show the results, and let's complete our 2 action steps for today. So first income stream, we're up to $1,620.80. We started this campaign on January 23rd. It is now February 1st. And the cool thing about this campaign is over the course of the next few weeks, you're going to see this number double and triple. And there's a reason for that. There's going to be residual, of course, fees that start to kick in with these different products. And that's going to compound over time, allowing you to make more money as well with this case study series. So 1620 here. In this income stream number 2, 1,188. Income stream number 3, 785. Income stream number 4, we're at $2,708 since starting this case study. And income stream number 6, you guys should see the common occurrence here as well. The average millionaire has multiple streams of income, and we are at approximately about $1,000 in this income stream right here. Okay, over the course of the past 10 days, we've been averaging roughly $100 per day. So that is $1,000. Now, don't expect these results right out of the gate. Of course, we are building up your guys' audience right now. We're building up your YouTube channel. We're going to be building your email list. And that's why I say stick with me for the next year, because this will absolutely change your life if you make the decision to trust in the process. Don't seek instant gratification. You're going to start seeing results. You just have to stick with the program and follow me day by day and week by week. So to get familiar with all these income streams, again, if you're brand new, you want to go back to the beginning, watch video 1. Again, the playlist will be below, and you can watch all the videos up to this point at your leisure. So if you add in all these income streams, that's roughly $7,000 over the course of the past 10 days. And of course, we divide that by 10, we're getting roughly $700 per day out of this proven campaign that, yes, you are copying. You're copying my content, you're copying my marketing materials, you're copying the marketing that I do to promote these different income streams so you can start generating results on the internet and use me sort of as a way to catapult yourself faster to success. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be uploading our next video. I believe we are on video number 4. We'll be uploading video number 4, and we will be sending out yet another email. So let's go ahead. Let's jump into the Google Drive. And I'm just going to go over to the Drive. I need to make sure, of course, that I'm logged into the correct account. And you guys will see all the links below for the steps to complete within this video. Okay, so video 4 is right here. This is the video that we will in fact be downloading. So make sure that you double click this video, you go ahead and download it, and we're gonna go ahead and upload this to our channel. So let's go ahead and let's jump to the actual channel. You go over to YouTube here, make sure that we're logged in, which we are right here. We're going to click on the create button. We're going to click on upload video. And we're going to upload the next video in the series, which was in fact video 4. Video 4 is super crucial because this is when we start introducing people to the different income streams. So what we want to do is just delete this part, and we're going to go ahead and use AI to help us out with this specific video and the structure of this video. So let's go ahead and let's go over to app.vidiq.com. Just like we did before, you're going to go over to the AI coach, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the title. So I'm just going to go ahead and refresh here to make sure we're not timed out. And it's going to be related to high ticket affiliate marketing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put, can you give me a compelling title about making money with high ticket affiliate marketing in 2023? Okay. And we'll see what pops up here. How about 2023, the ultimate guide to making money with high ticket affiliate marketing? Yes, but can you give me 5 more examples? Now, the primary keyword here, you guys, is high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's really what we're shooting for here. So let's see what we have right here. The smartest way to maximize profits from high ticket affiliate marketing 2023. Invest now, reap the rewards later. We want our title to be short and concise, but we want it to be appealing. Think of your title as a billboard on the freeway, and you're passing by, and what's going to catch your attention to actually not just look at that billboard, but entertain what that billboard is exactly offering. So let's see. Let's do high ticket affiliate marketing 2023. I just like that at the beginning. Let's see. Let's do 0. Let's just do 0 to 10K to $10,000 a month. Monetary numbers in the title, as long as you're not making guarantees, causes more clicks. So even though we kind of got some ideas from here, I'm not really resonating with any of them. What you can also do here is, and there's nuance to this, of course, the more that you create titles, the better you're just going to get at them naturally. And as you look at other people's titles, that will help you create titles for yourself as well. So what we can also do that I haven't shown you in previous videos is just go to YouTube. So what we can do is we can just search for high ticket affiliate marketing, and we can see the results that pop up here. We can look at their titles, and we can use that as inspiration to produce titles for ourselves as well. Okay, so not only can you use AI, but you can look at some of these, look at the view counts and think, okay, well, if that's getting a high view count, it means a title is probably appealing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, you can use, of course, these as inspiration. I'm really liking what I've got for my title though so far. So let's go ahead and let's pull that up, and we'll go ahead and continue on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy this. And I kind of like Blueprint actually. Let's do Blueprint to $10,000 per month. Okay, $10,000 per month. And then what we'll need to do is we'll go ahead and find that video from my primary channel, and it's under content, and it's going to be right here. So this was my initial title. I also use that as inspiration. but we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy all these steps here. I'm just going to copy everything, make it easy for us. And then we're going to go ahead and paste. And we're going to go ahead and paste our own playlist right here. So let's go ahead and let's go back to YouTube in another window. Okay, and let's go to the homepage of the channel in the studio here. And let's just click on View Channel on YouTube right here. We're going to go ahead and find the playlist. Click on Playlist, and we're just going to right click and copy link address. And then we're going to jump back over to our upload and we're going to paste that right here. Okay. Just like that. And let's just make sure that that is, of course, the correct link. Just test it out. And boom, this takes us straight to video 1, as you can see, and it's got our other 2 videos here as well. So everything looks good there. Let's jump back over here. You know, it's kind of a little bit of a game to go ahead and keep track of all your tabs, but make sure that you keep them organized as much as possible. And I'm just going to take this title that I've already got right here, and you can kind of do the same thing, you guys. I don't mind. You can jump over here, and I'll just say rewrite this. Okay, cool. And we'll just go ahead and copy it, and we're going to jump back over to here. We're going to paste, and then we're going to copy these tags here and jump back down. Of course, add this video to the playlist. No, it's not made for kids, and we will add the tags right here, and everything looks good there. Now, all we need to do is create our thumbnail. So let's go ahead and jump back over here and click on this original template of these different thumbnails that we have. We're going to go ahead and add a page doing exactly what we did the video before. Again, if I'm going somewhat quickly, it's because we're being redundant here. So you guys want to make sure, go back to the previous videos, and I go through this over and over and over again in great detail. So let's go ahead and let's select one here. Women seem to always do better than men. Let's select this one. I'll put the 10K a month proven game plan. I'm just going to put this. Let's see, this is proven work. Do 3 exclamation points, and boom, I like that. We'll go ahead and click on share. Just going to want to download page 4, PNG, click on done, download. Now it's being downloaded. You can download to your desktop or a documents folder. Go ahead and minimize, and then we're going to go ahead and drag and drop. Guys, this is going to be super cool because once we start running paid advertising, these videos are going to get even more views and a lot more momentum. So do not worry about the view count at this point, you guys, okay? So we've got everything done there. We're going to click on next. Make sure that you've replaced all your affiliate links here. Okay, with what I've got right here. Again, that's crucial that you do that. And yeah, everything looks good. Make sure you just copy and paste all the steps, include your own links, include your affiliate disclosure, and we're good to go. Let's go ahead and click on next. We'll add an end screen, which is going to be our previous video. This one right here. And we're going to click on save and next, and we're going to make this baby public, and we are good to go. So let's go ahead and click on close, and now let's send out yet another email. Okay, so we are Okay, so we're on email 6 right now. So we're going to want to go ahead and there's going to be a link below to where you'll be able to access, of course, all the email swipes as usual. And we're going to log into My Lead Gen Secret. Go to the home page, click on create a message. You guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 emails so far. Things are looking decent here. And we're going to go to create a message, mail by date, select all, and then leave this as is. Then the subject, we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy and then paste this over. And then we're going to, this is going to be the body right here. And we're going to copy this. And then we're going to paste it over right here. And we're going to get rid of the bolding, move this up a bit, and change the name to our actual name. And then also one thing that we want to make sure that we do, or at least for me, is the link's going to be here. Okay. So you want to make sure that you remove that when you paste it over. But we're going to go over here and we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and copy this link, All in One Business 25. And of course, make sure you do that in your own Samcart. Jump over here and we're going to highlight, and then we're going to click on the anchor link here and we're going to paste and click on OK. We're good to go. Click on perfect timing, send email, and we are done with the next day. Guys, this is a proven campaign that's working extremely well. We're at up to $700 per day at this specific point. Make sure you complete all the homework below. And honestly, can't wait to see you guys in the next video. This is really starting to unfold. We're starting to create some consistency now. Hopefully you guys have stuck with me up to this point. If you have, congratulations, you've done what 99.9% of people won't do. That's just simply following directions and trusting in the process. So all the resources are below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you've ticked the bell icon. And honestly, guys, can't wait to see you in the next video. And also, if you're not aware of the E1U Live bonus, make sure that you watch the previous video. I'll go ahead and post that below. It's crucial that you see that video so you're positioned to earn those big $2,000 commissions. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next one.